Many of us have the hobby of gardening, but due to the shortage of space, we cannot do it. But you can easily decorate your balcony or rooftop with the small plants like Malabar spinach. You can also do some vegetable plants or flowers that suits your place and your area. In this video, we will show how can you actually grow Malabar spinach in your balcony or your rooftop. You do not need anything like fertilizers or anything that is needed to be bought from shop. I will show how can you grow Malabar spinach using your household products. The first thing that we need is a pot or a bowl that is unused like this one, and there is no problem if there is any holes. And we need a few soil. Then we need a few dumps or trash of vegetable that you actually throw away, like these things. These are actually the parts of potatoes and I don't know the another one, but you can easily find them in your home. And then we need the tea liquors that is unused and that is also you throw away. These are helpful, and if we use these, we don't actually need any fertilizers. And the third thing that we need is a few leaves of trees. You can easily get them around your house. We will just stretch them, blend them, and mix them with the soil that we brought here. And then I will take a brick. You can use any other thing that can smash the soil. In my case, I just used the brick to smash the soil into small pieces. And then I will mix the trashes with the soil, and then again I will put a bit of soil above them. Then I will just smash them. After it, I will mix the trashes with the soil again, and then I will keep the tree leaves above the soil. And then I will mix the tree leaves with the soil, and I will absolutely make sure that tree leaves must stay below the soil so that they decompose fast. As they decompose, they will be able to fertilize the soil and our Malabar spinach tree. So after putting the tree leaves, I make sure that there is enough soil above them. And then I will look forward the below so that I can insert a bit of tree leaves there. So the soil preparation is complete. Now we will look for the plants. If you have raw plants, that is okay, but if you do not have, just cut a piece of Malabar spinach from a grown tree and just insert it into the soil. That's all. Thus you can easily grow Malabar spinach in your container.